Welcome back, my Dinka learners. Today, let us learn 20 Dinka to English word. Let us begin from words number one. One, abeng. Abeng. Abeng mean beautiful. Arach. Arach. Arach mean bird. Piat or apat. Piat or apat mean good. Angwech. 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 Angwech mean ugly. Poor. Poor. Poor mean maloda. Relish. Relish or relish mean difficult. Lech or allege mean appreciation. Amat. Amat. Amat mean slowly. Kur. Akur mean small. Diop. Diop. Diop mean all. Dit. Dit or adit mean big. Big. Kor. Kor or akor mean young. Piat. Piat mean kindness. Nyop. Nyop or nyop mean weak. Weakness. Ril. Ril mean strong. Real. Real. Real mean brave or power. Luit or luit. Luit mean lies. Pow. Pow. Pow mean art. Ariop. Ariop. Ariop mean reward. Mar. Mar. Mar is like this. Ma. A. A. Ra. Mar. 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 Mar mean missing or lost. Incemar. You are lost. You are missing. Yenakan. The End by William Ajangdit. Dupiet Tongyang. Please follow and share, like and comment. This then, bye bye. Dornel Kawik, peace of God with you. Bye bye. Ian William Majak Malek Deng. Deputy Tongyang. And again, I hope this video is going to help you. Please, if you need to support me, please like the video, share the video. That's the only way you are going to support me, because we also need other people to learn Dinka language. So if you share it to others, they are going to find it, they are going to be interested, and they will learn Dinka language with us. Okay? I'm William. Bye bye.